EC engineering for electrical and electronics engineering.
Open circuit and short circuit test on single phase transformer. Before going to the experiment, we should know the purpose of the open circuit test and the short circuit test. The purpose of open circuit test is to determine the no load current and losses of the transformer, because of which their no load parameters are determined. This test is performed on the primary winding of the transformer. The ammeter, wattmeter and voltmeter are connected to the primary winding. SC test, short circuit test. The rated current is the current that the LT winding of the transformer can allow safely without damage to conductor and insulation in winding. So in SC test, rated current is considered, and in OC test, rated voltage is considered. Here in the SC test, UPF meter is used. The secondary side, because the short circulated the entire coil will be purely resistive in nature. In this we are using auto transformer and transformer. The auto transformer in the auto transformer, the primary and secondary windings are connected magnetically as well as electrically. In fact, a part of the single continuous winding is common to both primary and secondary transformer. A transformer consists of two electrical insulated coil and operates on Faraday's principle of mutual inductance, in which an EMF is induced in the secondary coil of the transformer by magnetic flux generated by the voltage and current flowing in the primary coil winding. Voltage is used either stepping up the voltage or either stepping down the voltage. There are different types of transformers. They are step up, step down, power transformer, distribution transformer, instrumentation transformer, potential transformer, single phase transformer, three phase transformer and auto transformer. How do you find which is primary in the transformer? In single phase voltage transformer, the primary is usually the side which is the high voltage. A transformer is defined as a passive electrical device that transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit, the process of electromagnetic induction. Here now coming to the experiment, the aim of this is to determine equivalent circuit parameter of the single phase transformer by conducting open circuit test and short circuit test, and also determine the efficiency and regulation characteristics. Here the apparatus required are ammeter 0 to 5 amps and 1 amps, and wattmeter 150 LPF and 150 UPF, voltmeter MI 0 to 75 volt and 0 to 150 volt, single phase auto transformer and transformer single phase 1 kVA transformer, and connecting wires as required. Here images of single phase transformer and wattmeter are given. You can see that single phase transformer is 1 kVA transformer, that input is 0 to 230 volt and output is 0 to 105 and 11 110 volt and 115 volt, and this transformer can be used as step down and also as step up transformer, and the wattmeter is also given. Here you can see the image of auto transformer, that is single phase auto transformer, and ammeter and voltmeter images. This is the circuit diagram for short circuit test. Next, this is circuit diagram for open circuit test, and equivalent circuit referred to HV side. Here we should find out RO1, XO1, RO, XO. Before going to the experiment, we should see some precautions, that keep the auto transformer in its minimum potential position at the time of starting and stopping the experiment. Procedure for open circuit test: connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram, close the DPST switch. Here in the open circuit test we should see the rated voltage, so adjust the auto transformer till the rated voltage of the LV winding of the transformer. Note down the ammeter and wattmeter readings. Reduce the voltage to minimum value and open DPST switch. Procedure for short circuit test. The circuit connections are given as per the circuit diagram. Short circuit, that is LV winding, and keeping the auto transformer in its minimum position. The DPST switch is closed. Adjust the auto transformer. The rated current HV is circulated through HV winding. Note down the voltmeter and wattmeter readings. Here we should, in the short circuit test, we should see the rated current only. Reduce the voltage to minimum value and open the DPST switch. Here the tabulation column for OC and SC test is given. So we should in the OC test voltage is considered, so we should keep the rated voltage and find out the current and power. And in SC test current is considered, so we should keep the rated current and voltage and power is reading is taken. This is the sample tabulation for open circuit and short circuit test done in our laboratory by the students at the time of practical. This is the observation, that is to predetermine the efficiency, the tabular column, that is here fraction of load X, copper loss, total loss, that is copper loss plus iron loss, output power equal to X into kVA into cos phi, and input power and efficiency should be found out. This is the sample tabulation to predetermine the efficiency. This tabulation is done in our laboratory by the student at the time of experiment. This all for your reference only. To predetermine the percentage regulation tabular column. This is a sample tabulation to predetermine percentage regulation. This is also done by our students at the time of practicals in the laboratory. This all tabulation given for you only for the reference purpose. Don't copy the same tabulation readings and do the experiment. And here are the formulas for each and every values to find out, and by this you can calculate the open circuit test and also draw the equivalent circuit in this. And these also the formulas for cos inverse, sine, and formulas for no load working of resistance to find out R, and formulas to no load magnetization component of reactance, and formula to find out short circuit test to find VSC, WSC and ISC, and the formula for equivalent circuit resistance referred by the secondary side, and formulas for to find the percentage efficiency, and here also some sample calculation for single value from tabulation that is taken from on our laboratory by the students. Here how to calculate the copper loss, and how to calculate the losses, and how to calculate output power, and formula is given to input power, and formula for the percentage efficiency are here. Step by step calculation done to solve all equations according to the output got from OC and SC test, and to find the efficiency and regulations. And here also no load working components of resistance and no load magnetic components of reactance. The formula is solved for one data. And next, equivalent circuit resistance refer to secondary side, and ZO2 and XO2 are calculated. And to find the transformation, equal resistance refer to the primary sides, RO1, XO1 is found here. You can see how to calculate the percentage regulations and the formula, and here one equation is solved by one data. And to find the percentage efficiency, Here also here see, so assume cos theta equal to 1 and cos theta equal to 0.2, and one for one data it is calculated, the total loss, output power and copper loss is calculated, and input power percentage efficiency is calculated. Here is the equivalent circuit drawn for the open circuit and short circuit test on a single phase transformer. You can see we have found out RO1, XO1, RO and XO. This is the model graph for percentage of regulation curve and percentage efficiency curve. Here for the percentage regulation curve we are doing leading and lagging PF, and in y-axis that is percentage regulation. Result: by conducting open circuit test and short circuit test, the efficiency and regulations characters are predetermined. Outcome: by conducting the open circuit test and short circuit test on a single phase transformer and the efficiency and regulations are predetermined, the equivalent circuit referred to HV side and performance character, that is percentage efficiency versus output power and regulation versus power factor, was understood. Applications are: by using open circuit test we can measure the loss of no load losses, means that is iron losses, and by using short circuit test we can find out full load losses, means that is copper losses. It can find the efficiency by using of iron loss and copper loss. Viva voice: explain why the efficiency of transformer is very high compared to the other machines. What is meant by wattmeter, wattless component and watt full component? State the condition under which SC test is conducted on transformer in terms HV, LV winding, and justify why HV winding is normally open in open circuit test and LV winding is normally shorted in short circuit test. These Viva voice questions are given for the exam point, that is the practical university practical exam point and theory exam point of view. Apart from this, you can learn some more questions, that is 2 marks, 60 marks from the textbook. Thank you.